Google is making it easier to make purchases on its Play Store by adding another method of payment. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The tech giant is now letting you pay for your Google Play purchases with Venmo. The company's added the service as a payment option in the Play Store, letting you purchase apps, subscriptions, or in-app content with either your Venmo balance or your linked cards and bank accounts. Similar to other payment options available in the US that you usually use to carry out your Play Store transactions, such as your cards, PayPal, and Cash App, you'll have to set it up and link Venmo to your Play account before you can use it. To do so, all you have to do is go to Payment Methods in the Google Play app to add Venmo to your payment methods. Once you're done, you'll be able to use Venmo across Google services and easily pay for your purchases and subscriptions, including YouTube. And if you don't want to pay inside Google Play Store, there's another way how you can make payment. Google recently opened the Play Store to outside billing in the US, the UK, and Europe as part of its settlement with Epic Games. That means developers can now offer you an alternative payment system or link you to their own websites for purchase when you want to buy an app or to pay for a subscription. And it's worth noting that some of those alternative options might not take Venmo. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.